Who do I think I am? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do that Siri picks your makeup challenge. I'm not sure who started it because this is something I just do whenever I don't know what to do. Sometimes I'll use it to pick like my eyeshadow colors or the palette between numbers or whatever. So I'm gonna ask Siri on my phone to pick a number between 1 and 5. I'm gonna be picking between the Norvina palettes. So 1, 2, and 3 will be the volumes 1, 2, and 3, and then the mini volume 1 will be number 4, and mini volume 2 will be number 5. So pick a number between 1 and 5.
It's 4.
So number 4 was the Norvina mini volume 1. So this is what she looks like. The outside is pretty slick. So there are 9 shades, so I'm gonna use Siri to pick out the shades. Pick a number between 1 and 9.
The answer is 4.
So that would be this one. Pick a number between 1 and 9.
It's 7.
So 7 would be this purple. Pick a number between 1 and 9.
It's 7.
I'm gonna pick another one. Pick a number between 1 and 9.
It's 1.
So that would be this one. So I'm gonna be using basically this side. I'm just gonna zoom you in and we'll get started. I'm gonna be taking my NYX, I have the matte liquid liner in black, and I'm gonna kind of outline where I put that purple. So I think this is the completed look. My wig doesn't look the best right now. I need to brush through it some more, but so don't come for me in the comments. I know it's not good. This is from like Wish for like $12. But yeah, this is how the look came out. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.